Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Shocking scenes continue to unfold across China this week. From raging fires to collapsing streets, exploding gadgets, and terrifying CCTV footage. You won't believe what was caught on camera. In several provinces, electric devices and vehicles sparked chaos. One incident showed an electric car bursting into flames, the fire spreading to a nearby black sedan until both were reduced to ashes. Even fire extinguishers could not contain the blaze. In another case, a young girl's power bank exploded while she played the piano. Quick thinking and water helped control the fire, but her mother was forced to rush in as the danger persisted. Parents are urged, keep all electric appliances far from children. In several provinces, fire outbreaks linked to electric appliances have left behind devastation. One phone and clothing shop went up in flames after an electrical spark triggered an explosion. Within moments, the blaze spread through the building, destroying merchandise and property as terrified shoppers and workers scrambled for safety. Firefighters rushed to the scene, but by the time the flames were under control, the shop had been reduced to ashes. From burning shops to collapsing streets, this week in China has shown how quickly ordinary life can spiral into chaos. Stay with us as we continue to cover the most unbelievable and viral events across China and beyond, because reality is stranger than fiction. Meanwhile, in broad daylight, an electric bike suddenly ignited after being parked, and in another city, more than 15 bikes were burned to ashes in a similar wave of incidents. CCTV cameras also captured jaw-dropping moments. These shocking scenes remind us how quickly everyday life can turn into chaos. Stay with us as we continue to cover the most unbelievable and viral events across China and beyond, because reality is stranger than fiction. The fire department was seen forcing people to evacuate as flames tore through a busy district. This happened in another province of China just this past week, where electric appliances sparked massive blazes that destroyed expensive and well-known shops. Property worth millions was reduced to ashes, leaving locals shocked at the sudden destruction. Officials say firefighters now work day and night across China, facing a growing number of these emergencies. With the country's heavy reliance on electrical equipment, fire outbreaks have become a dangerous part of everyday life. For many, the question remains, how safe are their homes, shops, and appliances? An explosion ripped through a crowded block in China, shaking the entire neighborhood. The blast was so strong it caused part of a building to collapse instantly, while the fire sprayed across to another building, sending thick black smoke high into the sky. Residents were seen running for safety as firefighters rushed to contain the chaos. This shocking scene has left many questioning just how safe their surroundings truly are. With rising cases of electrical fires, factory sparks, and sudden explosions across China, the fear is growing by the day. And as always, we'll keep bringing you the most unbelievable and shocking events caught on camera. Stay alert, stay safe, and don't forget to follow for more updates.